everyone. So we started the week in a pretty much of a nothing happening really. The two biggest things that happened was a article out of the Wall Street Journal suggesting that oil and OPEC were going to increase production, which is clearly supply and demand bearish for oil. But not long after that article came out, OPEC came out and denied, so oil round tripped and closing pretty much where it started. Bit of a large move though, down $5 or so and back up $5. The other big news item in the last 24 hours is that China has more COVID cases and continuing to lock down. So that rumour of a couple of weeks ago, which has sent commodity markets higher on the back of China coming out of COVID, and therefore the use of industrial metals such as iron ore and coal and particularly copper, that's all reversed now, and that started to accelerate overnight thanks to the news that China's going to be going into more lockdowns thanks to more COVID cases. Elsewhere, everything was pretty much subdued and happening as expected. China stocks off a little. US stocks not really going anywhere, just treading water as there's no major economic releases coming out. And US dollar doing what we expect it to do, which is head back up towards, we're sort of targeting this blue box here for a bit of a space to fade it now that we're in a downtrend. Looking at Kiwi, it should sort of track back lower, and dollar yen, we're looking for it to sort of get back up into this area and trade lower. So faded off that, and pound sort of bounce around here somewhere. Euro dollar, we're looking for a bounce in here to trade that higher. And Aussie dollar is a bit of a tricky one because it's clearly in a downtrend and being not only driven by the a slightly stronger US dollar as it retraces in the in a downtrend. Don't know if I want to be buying. I mean, yeah, there's a good support level here, and there's off that previous high, but the fact that it's in this downtrend and it's key trading partner plus source of income from China is also having issues going back into lockdown. I think the Aussie's going to struggle, and therefore kind of look for it to maybe trade a bit sideways for the time being, as it fails to find buyers and being led around the park by the US dollar mostly. So that's pretty much the sum of it. Not much else going on. Bonds are not doing much. Bonds just going sideways as everybody sort of marks time into the next FOMC. We'll catch you tomorrow.